Hi everyone, welcome back. Steven here. Today we are looking at the JEARY weighted base plates for the cross base style umbrellas. Mine in particular is a cantilever style, and it has that cross base, which is going to work really well with this 20 by 20 umbrella base. It has the U hooks to hold the base plates together securely over the cross base, and you can make this one really heavy. So it'll range up to 198 pounds with just filling it with water, or you can get up to 317 pounds of weight with a sand-water mixture. So let's get this opened up and see what you get. So here you can see the 4 plates that come together over the cross base and really nicely packaged. Each one is individually bagged so they don't really get any kind of damage in transit. So let's take them out. Now here inside you can see the holes here for the U-hooks that allow you to connect these base plate components, these 4 base plates together, and a big hole here. You can see it's good size, so would be pretty easy to get sand in there if you did want to do the sand weighting, or very easy to just pop your hose in there and you'll have each one of these right over 49 pounds with just water. So 198 pounds altogether if you were to weigh them out with just water. Here on the red string, we've got our hardware, and those are the U-hooks. So let's take those out. And so here you can see these really sturdy galvanized steel hooks, these U-hooks that connect each of these components of the base together. So let's get out to the pool and put it all together. And here you can see the old style base, really weathered, discolored, and heavy to move because it just stays full of sand. And so this is the base we're going to be replacing. It'll be really nice to get this with the new base plates, and I think it'll really amp up the appearance of my old umbrella. And here you can see how nice this big, solid, and new base looks on the old umbrella. This is before we've gotten the U brackets installed. So you can see those holes, and we're going to put the galvanized metal U-shaped pieces into those holes, and that'll secure over the metal base of the umbrella and hold it in place. All right, here we go. There's the first one in. Second one. Third one. And the final one. So now the umbrella is securely mounted in between those. What we're going to do next is get these all filled up with water. And there you have it, all filled up. Really excited about this, and you can see how much better that base looks. Yeah, that base really makes it look nice and keeps it secured in this position where we get a little shade in the pool. So very excited for this fine summer. Hopefully this video helps you to make a good decision about what kind of umbrella base makes sense for you, but this JEARY one makes sense for me. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.